Kisho inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Kisho inu token, guys. What's going on in the Kisho? What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Kisho? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about Kisho, guys. Guys, in the right now situation, if we talk about the currently live price of Kisho inu, so you can see here very low. You know what, it is this time? It is a low price coin and it is about to explode, guys. It is about to explode. So that's why, guys, I recommend for all of you that sell now Kisho inu. No, so sorry for that. Sell now, not buy now. You know what? Because it's a profit time, so you have to buy more and more Kisho inu. That's how you can make a profit, guys. And if you buy Kisho inu and just hold for some time, not for a long time, just hold for some time, so you make a huge profit, guys. I believe you can see a 38% the price pump just in last 24 hours. So that's unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Just hold it and just buy more and more Kisho inu, guys. It's a profit time, guys. Be alert, it's a profit time. Anyways, let me show you more update. Wow, unbelievable, guys. Going 326% trading volume going positive in the market, guys. 326%. That's going to the moon, guys. So just it's time for profit, guys. If you want, buy now, guys. That's really good. But remember, guys, be alert in the market. You have to alert in the market, guys. Otherwise you lose your money if you don't alert in the market, guys. So I'm also ABS Tech channel also give you update fastly, so subscribe now and also press the bell icon for new videos updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.